So I realized that I did the Mira Chan Coronet Braid wrong. So I am redoing that video now. What I had said in the original video was that you could just do a braid, wrap around like a coronet, and do a bun at the back, and your hair would have to be super ooper duper long, which I believe hers is. However, that is not how she does hers, it turns out. It's two braids. One wrapped over the top, one bunned. So I am going to do that now. And that will work much, much better because not many of us have hair that is long enough to wrap over the head and then continue into a bun. I have pretty long hair as far as societal standards go, and there is no way that I could do that at this point. So this should be much nicer. Okay, now I have two braids. This one's going to wrap over my head in a standard coronet. This is one of my favorite everyday styles. Now that my hair is long enough for it, I am going to use spin pins to hold that in. They're a little bit bulky, but they hold so strongly, and this is one where it can be tricky to get it to hold with pins, so that is what I've been using. Well, okay, maybe just one spin pin because this braid is half of the bulk of what my braid would usually be. So I will do my usual Amish pins. For the rest, I have these Amish pins that have been painted black so they match my hair better, which is very useful. So if your hair doesn't wrap all the way around, then you're going to be using this as a bun to cover the tail, but my tail goes a little further than that, so I think I'll just do my usual tuck it under. Okay, and then form this into a bun. Alright, so there it is, the Mira Chan profile picture coronet braid and bun. Considering that I thought that this was all made from one braid, it does create the illusion of epically long hair, which we always like. I could do more to kind of fluff this bun out and make, or this braid out, and make it look a little nicer, but that's the basic idea. I'm very pleased with it. I will probably wear this more often.